po dito. Maraming salamat. The Chairman and CEO of Paghorn, thank you very much. Cristino Nagyat, thank you very much. Is she here? Somewhere. Assistant Vice President of Entertainment, Elmer Quintana. Sir Elmer Quintana, maraming salamat. Casino Filipino Pavilion Brand Manager, Isagani Emma Ligara, thank you. Dami pumapalampak na. Entertainment Marketing Staff, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Casino Filipino, thank you. Thank Booth, thank you very much. Love you. Love you, bro. Bye, love you, bye. Walang love you to dyan. Pare. Ano ba eh? Hi, sir. Salamat, sir. Sana maging libre nito, ha? How's my band? Is my band cool? McCoy? Yusef? Otep? I want to sing a song that I've never sang before. This is my first time to sing it. So I'm kind of scared. If you know this, can you help me sing it? Because I'm trying to be a singer.
Pag-ibig ko ay totoo. Ang iyong bangka, kung magaling man ang alon ng panahon, sabay tayo'y aahon. Kung umuwi siya sa yakap ko, diba? Huwag mo na damdamin kung wala ako sa iyong tabi. Iiwan ko ang puso ko sa'yo. Ako pakiramdam ko, wala ka nang gagawin. Isipin mo ako na isip ko nasa iyong tabi. Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit lang sa akin. Kumapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan. Hindi kita pababayaan, hindi kita pababayaan. Kumapit ka, kumapit pababayaan. Hindi ko siya pababayaan. Kung wala ka na, kung wala ka na, malapitan, kapit na sa akin, kapit na sa akin, hindi kita hindi kita pababayaan, hindi kita
I like that high part, ah. I like that high part. It was cool as shit. It was cool. Can we do it again? Dude, do you see my band? They're so cool. They shift from guitar and drums and mamay maghuhubad din yan. No, but I like that high part. It was cool, huh? Can we do it again? Practice nga, practice. Because we have a show this coming Saturday. Where's our show? Malabon. So, ba't nandito ka? Malabon kasi. Punta ka sa Malabon, ha? Promise? Dali mo mga kamag-anak mo, ha?
7.
Sino din? Maglaro muna kayo, tapos bilhin.